For my speed geeking website, I chose the website The Kid Should See This. This is a website that has videos related to science, technology, space, animals, nature, food, DIY, music, art, and animation. I think that this could be really helpful for teachers to use as a starting place, an ending place, like a conclusion, or if they have a child who's really interested in something, they can use this to sort of elaborate on that. It does focus on STEAM subjects, so science, technology, engineering, and math. The topics on this website, like the video topics, are science, technology, space, animals, nature, food, DIY, music, art, and animation. As I was looking through this website, they have tweets up from other teachers about how they've used it, and they've used it in a variety of grade levels. So I think you could use this, like I said, it can be really used in whatever grade level you want to help elaborate on whatever is being discussed. I think this website is really good for gifted students because some of the video topics are pretty interesting, and I feel like if they're interested in something, this could help them. So for example, what's a good one here? Magnetic field, if like they're interested in that type of stuff. Gardening and science of food. There's more videos. There's like a ton of videos. This one deals with like cycling and Legos. So there's like a ton of different topics and videos, and everyone could find something, and the teacher could use this in a variety of subjects. And like I said, this can help build on what is being taught or used, or as an introduction. It's just like a really good website to, like I said, build on what is being taught. There are no fees for this site, but you can subscribe and then you'd get an email once a week of the 7 most popular videos of that week or most watched. And the website was created by Ryan Nikea with her 7 and 10-year-old children. So to me that is more geared towards children, but they said they don't have a specific age site. And to get to this website, you just go to thekidshouldseethis.com. So I think this is a really interesting website that we can all use as teachers to help enhance the classroom experience for the children and elaborate on their learning.